Drywall seams showing after painting can totally kill the vibe of your fresh walls, but fixing it is easier than you think. So, when you notice those seams popping out after paint, don't freak out. First thing, grab some joint compound and slap on a thin, even layer over the seams. Let it dry completely, then sand it down with fine grit sandpaper until it's smooth and flush with the wall. Don't rush this part because uneven sanding can make seams worse. After that, apply a second, even thinner coat of joint compound and sand again once dry. This layering helps hide those seams better than just one coat. When you're finally happy with the smoothness, prime the area before painting to seal it and get an even finish. Using a good quality paint and a roller with the right nap length for your wall texture also helps keep everything looking seamless and professional. One of the biggest screw-ups with drywall seams showing after painting is not using enough joint compound. Slapping on just one coat won't cut it. You need at least 2 or 3 thin coats to really hide those lines. Another common mistake is sanding too aggressively or not enough. Too much sanding can damage the drywall paper, making things worse, while too little leaves lumps that show through paint. Lastly, skipping primer after patching seams is a trap. Without primer, your paint won't stick evenly, and seams will stand out like a sore thumb. Fix these by layering joint compound properly, sanding gently but thoroughly, and always priming before you paint. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to drywall repair and other home fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get connected with people looking for your services without all the hassle.